Welcome back to your Awesome Fit YouTube channel. Today we're going to be demonstrating a massage gun routine for the lower body, and this was requested by a lot of individuals in terms of adding this into a lower body stretching routine. So using your massager gun to release that deeper tightness can be absolutely fantastic to reduce injury and improve performance. For the lower body massage gun routine, I always want to start off with the plantar fascia. So I always think start with the feet and work our way up. So I'm going to demonstrate this full routine on one side, and of course you want to repeat it on the opposite side. So we're going to aim for about 15 to 20 seconds, releasing into the plantar fascia. So you're going to go from the heel all the way up to the toes, including from the heel to the big toe, and then right the way around to the little toe, and then work our way up into the calf muscles. So you're going to go into the foot and then go from the Achilles on one side all the way up from the Achilles all the way up into the back of the knee, and then once you've done about 15 seconds on one side, you're then going to go onto the opposite head. So imagine two heads of the calf muscles. You've got the in and the outer, so you need to make sure that you've relaxed both parts. So you worked on the inside and the outside of the calf. So you're going to go feet, calf. Once you've done that and you've massaged up and it feels lovely and soft into those calf muscles, you then want to make sure that you're working around the front of the leg. So this is where we're targeting the tibialis anterior. So this is on the soft part of the shin that you'll feel. And so you're going to go from the ankle all the way up towards the knee, and you're going to soften through there, and you're going to work your way round to target into the perineals on the side. So you can see I twisted slightly there to go into the side. So with all of these, I'm aiming at about 3 to 4 resistance. Of course you can add this in over time, but you want to stretch first before you release with the massage gun. Sorry, not a foam roller, massage gun. You're then going to move up into the quadriceps. So you're going to go from the knee right the way up to the hip. So I always think starting on the inner side, working my way around. So you're going to go knee cap all the way up into the thigh, right up into that hip bone. So you're almost drawing a line up with the massage gun into the front of the quads. This is really important, so we get a lot of tightness around this area. So we've literally moved from the foot into the calf, into the front of the shin, so the tibialis anterior, into the perineals, and then up into those big quadriceps muscles to release that tightness. And then of course you want to repeat all of this on the opposite side. Next we want to look at the side of the hips. We're going into the side of the glutes here, so you're going around the hip and you're massaging around the back of the leg. So again, you're going from the sitting bone right the way behind the back of the knee to target those key hamstring muscles to release that tightness, and then moving around from the sides, we're going into the ITB up into the glute med. So again, you're adding it in to reduce all that pressure, and you want to add in this full routine around lower body stretching. So if you stretch twice a week, adding it in then.